come and join us inside of the Cake Craft Club. We cover all fondant cake decorating skills, modelling and sugar flowers, all less for a coffee a month. And you've got proper support when things go wrong from the community and from me.